Alright, now, y'all, we're in, Chandler, I think is how you pronounce it, or Chandler, I don't know. It says that's the way to go, but I don't think so. It's this one. Yeah, so I figured out we could check out another new, that was the turn. Not super clearly marked. Alright, take two. We're at Kickapoo Creek Express Car Wash, apparently is the name of this place. Pretty new from what I've heard. It's kind of been on my eye to review this place, but it's a little far. But 8, 10, 15, and 19. Farm fresh eggs.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen. Please insert cash or card.
Does it not take 20s? Oh, come on. Maybe I should try it the other way around. There we go. Sweet.
You are now ready to enter the car wash.
Alright, good deal. I have actually no idea what equipment this place has because there's like no pictures of it on Google, so I guess we'll find out together. Oh, it looks like Motor City. Sweet, my favorite. Blue and yellow looks like for colors. I'm like, this truck's tires are almost too big for the conveyor. Glad to know there's another Motor City tunnel around here. The only one that was around here in Longview was gone, so. Did a quick camera battery swap because the other one was about to go. Hopefully this one should make it through this wash. Prep all the way around. Most car washes just do the front and back. Right, scrubbing some extra on my bumper or my grill. Flip my wipers so we can get a better view of everything. Ah, love me some Motor City. This tunnel's pretty short. Aggressive back there. Didn't seem like those grill brushes contoured the car very well. I don't know, maybe this car wash has been here longer than I thought, but it looks really dirty for such a new car wash. Honestly, it could be worse. I'll pull over to a vacuum spot to flip out my mirrors again, but seems all right. Quickly flip my wipers just so we get a better view of everything. Ah, love me some Motor City. This tunnel's pretty short. Aggressive back there. Seemed like those grill brushes contoured the car very well. I don't know, maybe this car wash has been here longer than I thought, but it looks really dirty for such a new car wash. Honestly, it could be worse. I'll pull over to a vacuum spot to flip out my mirrors again, but seems all right. But I think it needs some TLC. But yeah. Well, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. That'll be it.